Hey there folks, today I've got a quick guide on how to create your own Call of Duty Warzone account. Let's dive in, shall we? First things first, fire up your preferred web browser and head over to account.battle.net. No need to hunt for the link, I've got it right down here in the video description. Now, once you're in the site, click on the Create a Free Battle.net account option. After that, you'll see a page pop up. Just enter your country and date of birth, then hit continue. Next up, fill in your first and last name in the designated spots, then click continue. Now it's time to punch in your email and phone number. You can skip the phone number, but it's a good idea for added security. Next, make sure to check those last two boxes. If you're cool with getting news and emails from Blizzard, tick the first box too. Once done, hit agree. Now, create a strong password and click continue. Then choose a unique battle tag. Feel free to click on randomize if you want a random one. Lastly, tackle the puzzle they throw your way to prove you're not a bot. After that, voila! Your Battle.net account is all set up and ready to roll for some Call of Duty Warzone action. But wait, before you dive into the game, don't forget to check your email for a verification message. Click on the verification link and you're good to go. And that's all there is to it, folks. If you found this video helpful, then drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.